Welcome to this video. Today we will explore how to use the ChatGPT and Cloud to generate the SQL queries that handle various data types and filtering conditions. We will run the same prompts in both tools and compare outputs. Okay, let's start with the ChatGPT. Our persona is like a data analyst in the sales department. The department has the table called the orders and with the fields that is the order ID, customer name, product name, order date, delivery date, quantity, unit price, and status. Our goal is retrieve each order's details, a total price, delivery duration, and categorize orders by value that is low, medium, and high. We will also demonstrate type conversion for limit price. So I will put on the ChatGPT as a sales data analyst by using the Sales Server Management Studio, SQL Server Management Studio. Write a query for the orders table to retrieve the order ID, customer name, product name, quantity, total price, delivery duration in days, order date formatted as this, and the value category. Replace the missing delivery date with the pending. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT generates here. Okay, so this query calculates the total price, delivery duration, formats the order date, right? Replaces missing delivery dates and categorizes order based on the values. So for large tables, remember to limit the number of rows returned. Okay, so next we will refine the query. Suppose we want like order placed in last 15 days with total price greater than a dollar 200 or something. Like we'll write order placed in the last 15 days with total price greater than equal to dollar 200, right? So we'll ask ChatGPT to modify the query accordingly. So it will, right? So what happens here? What happens is that ChatGPT correctly applies the AND or logic for multiple conditions, and simple date diff may slightly overestimate the delivery durations if time is important, right? So now let's run the same prompt in the cloud A. Okay, let's observe that one. So let's run the same prompt here. So what happens here? So column naming style. Okay, yeah, it's a bit different, right? And we can say delivery duration calculation slightly more precise, and handling nulls using is null and the collis, and total price removes currency symbols before casting. So both tools generate correct queries. ChatGPT may be simpler, Cloud may be precise. Okay. Refining filters in Cloud yields a similar structure. The main difference are coding style and null handling. So yeah, that is the difference. In this video, we explored how ChatGPT and Cloud can generate SQL queries for retrieving, formatting, and filtering order data. Okay, we compared how each tool calculates durations and totals, handles of missing of null values, and data conversions and formatting, and column naming conventions. AI can speed up your workflow and handle complex logic, but always review queries before running them in productions. If you found this video helpful, like it, comment, and subscribe for more SQL and AI tutorials. Okay.